Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna solve another HackerRank problem, which is breaking the records. So here Maria plays a college basketball game and wants to go pro, and each season she maintains a record of her play and she tabulates the number of times she breaks her season record for most points and for the least point. So here we are given an array scores, which is basically consisting the scores of the games that she has played, and we have to find how many times he is breaking the records. So here we are given the number of games in the order and their scores respectively, and we have also initialized minimum and maximum variable with her first score, and these two variables will basically keep the minimum score and maximum score of the game that she had played till now, and we have initialized minimum and maximum count with 0, which will basically keep the counts when she breaks her record. So in the 0th game we have made the initializations. So in the first game she scores 24. So we will simply check if 24 is lesser than her current minimum score. So it is not true here. Then we will check if this 24 is greater than her current maximum score, then it is true. So we will simply increase maximum count by 1, and also we will modify the maximum score here, and minimum score will remain as it is. Now we will come to the next game in which she has scored 10. Now we will check if this 10 is lesser than current minimum score, so it is true. So we will increase the minimum count by 1, and we will also modify her minimum score here, and 24 will remain as it is. And now we will come to the next game in which she has scored 24. Now we will check again that if 24 is lesser than her current minimum score, so it is not true, and we will check if this 24 is greater than her current maximum score, so which is also not true. So minimum count and maximum count will remain as it is, and the minimum and maximum score will also be as it is. So at the end we will get the number of times she has broken her records for minimum and maximum. So we have to complete this function given below. We are given the score array, and we have to return an array of size 2, in which index 0 is for breaking most point records and index 1 is for breaking the least point records, or I should say that index 0 is for maximum count and index 1 is for the minimum counts. So let's code it. So first I will create answer vector of size 2, and by default it will be initialized with all zeros, where answer of 0 will be storing max count and answer of 1 will be storing minimum count. And also I will initialize maximum and minimum score with her first score, which is basically of the 0th game. So let's do that, and n will be the size of the given vector, and we will start iterating from the first game. So int I equals to 1, I should be less than n, and we will simply check if the score of the current game is lesser than minimum score or if it is greater than maximum score, and we will be modifying accordingly. So if the current score is less than minimum score, then we will simply increase the minimum count, and we will also modify it with the current score. Simply we will be checking for maximum count also, else if scores of I is greater than maximum, then we will modify it and we will increase the count also, max count, and we will be modifying it, and we will simply return the answer vector at the end. So let's see if this works. So this worked perfectly fine. Thanks for watching.